Hello everyone. Let's take a look at this formula of function of function in differentiation. So that is how this question in number 17 that I want to solve, that's how we're going to structure out the formula. So in rate of change, it is rate of change. The radius of a sphere is increasing at a rate of 3 centimeter per second. So rate is increasing. That's rate is increasing. That's the R, the T. It's increasing. The radius is increasing. So when the radius is increasing, so this is the rate at which it's increasing. The R as in radius increasing with respect to time. The R dt equals 3 centimeter per second. So find the rate of increase in the surface area. So we're looking for the rate at which the surface area is increasing, as in the sphere, the rate at which the surface area is increasing. That means the A area with respect to time, the A, the T, that is what we are looking for. Now, since area is mentioned, area of a sphere is mentioned in the statement, we have to consider area of a sphere. So we write, let's take note of that. So we have area of a sphere as 4 pi r squared, okay? Now, immediately we are differentiating it. The A, the R, differentiating area with respect to the radius. So we have, but this is a constant, 22/7. So we have differentiating it, we have 2 coming down, going by power rule. 2 times 4, we have 8. Then we minus 1 from the power rule, which is 8 pi r anyway. So we have that. Take note of this, take note of this, take note of this. Now let's continue reading. This is where we are. When the radius is 2, let's take note of that. The radius, take note, is 2 cm. So you'll be writing them down, interpreting them. It's a very simple question. So when the radius is 2, that is the end of the question. So how do we form out our formula to be in this format? So to construct the formula to look like this, we have to look at what we have, the parameters. So what we have on ground is, we can see dA. If you look at this formula, we have dy dx equals, from function of function, you start with dy, okay, du, times du, we start it here, dx. If I cross out this multiplication, I can cancel it. I will still end up having dy dx. So let's form it for this question. Here we already have all of this. So we have dA, so we can start with, we are looking for this. So I can even start with that. So therefore, let's start with this, that we are looking for question mark. So let's form it. So based on this, we have to start with dA. So we are going for this. I have picked this. I am going for this now. That's dA, dr, right? Going by what I said here, the u will start it. So the r is starting it now. The r, the what? You go for where you have that here. So we have the r starting it over the t. So the a we start it here, the r. The a based on what you have, the a, the r. So you have to complete it, the a, the r. Then the r will start. The r, then you end it with this, the t. The a will start it, the t will end it. Look at function of function. The y will start it, the x will end it. The y will start it, here we start it here, then you end it with the x. So we are good to go. The a, the t, so I start with the a, the r, based on what I have, the a, the r here. Then times the r will start it, then the t will end it. I think it's okay now. So let's substitute our work. Mind you, this is what we are looking for, the a, the t. So what is our the a, the r? 8 pi r. It's very simple. I have 8 pi r times my dr dt is 3. Let us just pick the 3. So we are leaving it in terms of pi. As you can see, the options, they are in terms of pi. So what do? 3 times 8 is 24. I put the pi there. In terms of pi means you are leaving it, you are not touching pi. So we are leaving the pi. So the r is this r you were given in the question as 2. So 2 is multiplying it. 8 pi times the 2. 8 pi multiply this, it gave us 24 pi. Then the radius will come in. So I'm multiplying that. So we have 2 times 24, 48 pi. Meanwhile, we are looking for the ADT, the increase, the rate of increase in the surface area. So areas, that means centimeters square per second. So that is that. You can pause the video and watch all over and over. I am still, this is number one of it. I'm still going to, I'll solve like 3 from the past question, okay? So watch out for the next video. I will still solve 2 more. Thank you for watching. So the answer is 48. Okay, here, D. So the answer is D. Okay? So thank you for watching. Bye.